Histogram Fundamental Explained. This tutorial is divided into two parts. At first part, histogram equalization carried out using Matlab 2019b. At second part, histogram equalization is carried out using Microsoft Excel. For better understanding, histogram comparison of different intensity image is shown using Matlab. Matlab 2019b software used different pixel intensity image to compare how the histogram shows in different pixel intensity image. Matlab 2019b software is used to carry out histogram equalization for image enhancement. As you can see, we open the image in Matlab 2019b, then we compare the same image in different pixel intensity. The resulting is this. Welcome back. I opened the new Matlab file. As you can see, to open the image, I used the IEblog command. So a is the variable, a equal IEblog dark red dot png semicolon. Then to publish it figure 1 row 2 column. So 4 row 2 column, and number 1 is the image location. I am show a. I use next subplot 4 column 2 row, and the number 2 will be the IEmhist A64. IEmhist is the command for showing the histogram visualization of the existing image. Now another image B. Basically these images are same image but in different intensity I have already saved. So the dark red has got the highest intensity, the red.png has got the more lower intensity than the dark red png, and the light red png is more lighter. The pixel intensity is much lighter than the A or B variable. And subsequently I also open the histogram of the subsequent image using the IEmhist command, and I use subplot to compare side by side the original image and its histogram. Now once I finish this thing, I'm going to run the code, and okay, I need to do some modification. Basically subplot 427. Now this is the image found by the code. So basically, as you can see, this is the same image. This is the same image with different pixel intensity, and the histogram is shown on right hand side. Now the histogram image enhancement will be carried out. So a equal IEblog. This time I'm reading a different image. To enhance this image, I first open this image. So that image name is dark2.png. Semicolon. Converting to histogram. So b equal histeq a. This code, this histeq a, will convert the variable a, which is the main image. It will carry on the histogram equalization, and it will enhance the image quality. Now for showing the image side by side, imshow pair a comma b. Method is montage. This montage shows image side by side without overlapping. So montage. The next line, I want to show both the image histogram, not the original image but the histogram of the image, the graph side by side as well. So subplot 1 row 2 column. Column number 1 is the first histogram, am hist A is the first image without the equalization. Now again subplot the second histogram. So subplot 1 row 2 column. This time the image, the histogram position is 2 in the 1 row 2 column matrix of the image figure. Now I am hist the equalized histogram, which is C, which is B, 64. Now if we run the code now, here we go, we can see the image quality has been improved. Just for better understanding, I do some marking. So before image enhancement procedure outcome, we see the image quality has been improved after the histogram equalization. Now the next video I'm going to carry out the same procedure but using Microsoft Excel. That will give you proper understanding, more total understanding in the concept of histogram equalization. I would recommend to watch that video. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click the bell button that will keep the update of my channel. Thank you.